Hi all, welcome to Vision Pod community. So today I'm inviting to Haritha. So Haritha will definitely share I would say, same as my story, kind of a .NET support to data engineer. So I just want to know about more from Haritha's side, how she cracked from, I would say, she will be sharing the insight, like in 7 LPA to monthly near to 5 lakh kind of an offer letter in UAE, not in India, UAE kind of an offer letter. It's not within 3 months. That is also one of the thing I want to tell you. Haritha, I am also eagerly waiting to you how you made a transition because 7 LP is a very low salary for 6+ years of people, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
like and within 3 months you can able to crack near to 5 lakh salary, near to I'm just telling about near to 5 lakh salary monthly in UAE kind of a market right now. So how
yes,
the transition and what are the things you followed to achieving this kind of an offer letter?
sure. First of all, thank you, Devi.
Thanks, Haritha.
Your guidance helped me a lot to crack this job, actually. I started my career in the .NET domain. So, where I gained experience in software development, SQL debugging, and working with databases. So,
Mhm.
while working on projects, I became increasingly interested in data processing,
Okay,
reporting, and like how organization use data for decision making. So to transition into data domain, I first strengthened my skills,
okay,
my SQL skills. I learned Python. I don't even know what is Python. I learned
okay.
Python.
Uh-huh.
PySpark I learned. So every
Uh-huh.
day I dedicate myself to. I'll wake up. I'll set up some time to learn. I'll allocate some time to learn from the scratch whatever the tools ADF, or for example ADF database. I don't even know what it is. So
Mm.
I allocated myself to learn everything, each and everything from the scratch. I learned. I if I attending the video, I mean, if I attending the session, Devi session, again the next day, I'll try to watch the video again.
Okay.
Video again, Devi
How
session
many
again.
hours you are dedicated, Harida, for every day?
So for every day, for example, I resigned on Feb. Then I
Okay.
came to UAE on Feb last. So
Okay.
I'm almost free on all the day. So what I will do is I'll wake up at 7 o'clock. I'll start learning at 8 o'clock until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I almost, it's like 4 to 5 hours I'll dedicate myself to learn. And for practicing, I'll dedicate 2 hours in the evening.
Okay.
So
Every
the
day, right?
same
Every day, like that.
every
You're
day. Every
practicing.
day I use it to learn because a data domain, it's a, we have to learn everything. We have to get out from our comfort zone. Then only
Yes.
you will get the good pay job and everything. So we have to get down out from the comfort zone, and you have to prepare whatever Devi you gave me, right? I prepared with your guidance. Whatever you gave me, the interview question and that PDF, and the resume template you gave now. So that is most important. Resume, when you prepare a resume template should be ATS format.
Yes.
So that should be very preferable in UA ATS
Mm.
format. Your
Okay.
resume plays a vital role in your career. So first start building your profile, start building your resume, and then Naukri profile, LinkedIn profile, whatever you gave me a guidance, you gave me few templates for example templates. So I use it to build a templates with the help of those you provided. So, my resume got shortlisted because my resume was very good. Even my recruiter was saying the same. Resume was
Okay.
good. Out of these candidates, your resume got shortlisted and something else. So please, we have to learn. We first of all we need consistency to
Yes.
learn. Then only you can able to crack the job.
Mm.
So once you crack the job, yeah, you good to go, no issues. You can able to
Exactly.
manage everything. You're good to go. You're free to go. So
Mm.
we have to focus on rather focusing on technical wise. We have to do practices,
Yes.
tool
And
practices.
one more thing, Harida, like I can see in the people are not aware about how to build a resume, LinkedIn, and Naukri, right? Plus, keep those portion. I think majority. I
Ah,
think when you already mentioned, right, when you building the resume only, whatever the template I provided, when you building the resume, you start getting the call because
yeah.
recruiter will be first seeing about, not seeing you directly. They're seeing you
Yes.
directly in the resume, LinkedIn, and
Resume.
Naukri.
Mm.
It is
Yes.
perfect. They will be getting the first priority for that candidate for attending like an
Yes.
interview.
Yes.
Remaining in your hand because the confidence,
Yes.
whatever you
Obviously.
learn, everything.
Obviously.
So I'm just telling
Obviously.
about who are seeing this video also. You can think about this is kind of a you always first you want to focus about positioning yourself even in the resume
Yes.
template,
Yes.
LinkedIn, now career.
True.
So when you
True.
can attend the interview, whatever you learn, you can
Yes.
then only you can able to crack whatever Harida recently cracked, right? Same kind of a thing. And
Yes.
had the like an for example when you attending like an interviews so any
Yeah.
kind of a struggle you face how you overcome you do you use the
Lot of
technical support
struggles.
sessions any
Uh,
yeah
so a lot of struggle I faced, Devi. For example,
okay
they may ask scenario based
mm.
questions and everything. How are the sources? Like I attended almost to 3 to 4 interviews so far.
Okay okay
No, not 3 to 4, 5 interviews. Today
okay
I attended one interview. Yeah,
uh-huh
5 interviews so far. So from that, I could see many of them are focusing on the not focusing on the I mean theoretical wise. They are focusing on the practice. Actually, we need some practice. We need. They are asking about a few scenario based questions. So that type of skill we need to learn. We
Mhm.
don't need to learn Python coding and everything, and no. We need to learn
Okay.
how we can transfer the data, how we can apply the formula when we can
Mm.
do the transformation. That type of knowledge we have to learn.
Okay, they're asking these kind of questions
Real time
also, right?
project, anyway,
Real time.
real time project we have to do. Anyway, you gave us a few projects. I
Mm.
actually worked on those projects. That helped me a lot. You gave me a
Mm.
migration project, end to end project. That helped me a lot.
That is enough,
I
Harita,
would say
because people are
that is
doing the
enough.
framework is different. Like an almost framework is same, but requirement, maybe the source will be different to each of the
Yes.
companies to company, maybe the project to
Yes.
project. But if you
Yes. Yes.
understand the correct architecture, that is enough to explaining and to getting the offer letter
Yes.
also.
That is fine. Yeah, that is fine. That is more than enough. More than
Mm-hmm.
enough to crack the job.
And like
Uh,
a kind of an interview question also, Harda, like an
yeah.
attending like an interviews, like an rounds also you attended, right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
how the things will be like an as a you know you transform from .NET support to Azure data, and same as me. So when
Yeah.
you attending, what are the like a question you face or the learning path I want to need, how to prepare?
Okay, got it. Yeah. So I had 2 rounds of interview and I got more questions from PySpark. Okay, so I noted a few questions. Okay, I got more questions from PySpark,
Ah,
partition,
ah,
broadcast join,
okay.
CDC, streaming data, difference between Python and PySpark,
Mm.
and yeah, and few scenario-based questions. That's
Okay, this
it.
is like as we discussed in the class also, right? Almost
Yes,
same
this is
kind of
what.
a question.
Yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
Unity catalog, main important thing, Unity
Unity
catalog.
catalog.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
Delta Lakos, they asked what is the difference between, they may ask like, what is the difference between data lake and data warehouse? And why we are calling those as Delta Lakehouse? Maybe
Mm.
that would be a tricky question. So that
Yes.
we need to look into it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. But at least the 90% question you can able to answer, right? Almost.
Yes, yes. Out of maybe 12 questions, I would have answered for 10 questions.
Okay. That is fine because
Yeah.
one or two question maybe they'll be
Maybe
checking
we
about
got
your
wrong. Yeah.
different question based upon their experience also they are checking about your confidence. This is also
Yes,
will be happen. Yeah, yeah,
yes,
obviously.
yes.
And finally, Harda, like, and I just want to give, I just want, you can give any kind of a motivation or suggestion to the people who are preparing.
Okay, first of all, I would say start building your profile first. Only then you will get the calls
Yes,
from the either Naukri or LinkedIn. We have to start building our profile. Start with the resume and start with the Naukri building and update the job portals daily. You can edit something, your number, phone number, or whatever. You can edit and you have to update everything. And then start, first of all, prepare the course very well for 3 months at least for consistency, and then
yes,
start building your profile, and then try applying for the jobs. Don't do I will study only then I'll apply. Don't do that type of mistake. So first you can apply, then only you will get the confidence level and what type of questions recruiter is asking. You will get some experience and idea or what we have to do the next. So
exactly.
that type of flow we have to do
Yes,
in
yes,
our
Harda.
career.
So
Yeah.
team, whatever the Haritha is given, right? This is a real success story. So same as my, I would say, same as my case also. So who are just preparing, definitely you can able to get the data engine copy. Openings are very high and the paid also, like and payment also they are given offering is very high in the market. But
Yes.
only need focus. You want to consistently
Focus.
attending
Mm.
and preparing the classes and attending the interview. That is main important. Resume building, like a profile setting, then attending the interviews without any kind of a delay, you will definitely get an offer letter soon.
Yes.
Yes,
Maybe one or two may go gone wrong. Definitely you will get the job if you are keep on attending the interviews.
yes, exactly, Harita. Thanks,
Yeah.
Harita. Thanks for your time, at
Thank
least
you.
sharing your valuable insight because maybe
Yeah.
your words will be motivate others. So they will also getting like in better opportunities.
Thank you, Devi. You
Thanks,
are my
Harita.
inspiration. Thank you so much for your guidance.
Thanks, Harita.
Thank,
Thanks for your word. Maybe
thank you.
these words also motivating me. Even some of the comments are coming. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Thanks,
Thank you
Harita.
so much,
Thanks so much.
Devi. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you for your help.